Good day, my people. Oh my god. I don't know if you can hear it, but it has been raining all night. My sleep was okay though. I slept alright. Let's have some morning coffee. You know, at this point I just feel it becomes more annoying than anything else, you know. Like the rain is fine, but it just becomes annoying. Now you're gonna tell me, yeah, that's why you get a van. Still though. So now I just have to sit here under the trees. We won't get super wet. Make this coffee. And I bought this thing to save a little bit of weight. Before I had a different one that you can put it down on the ground. But this one, it kind of seems like it's giving me trouble. And I don't really like it. But out here, there's nothing much I can do. But it feels like everything is a headache about this trip. I don't get it. You know, you're trying to stay positive, think positive, but how can you? After a while, it just gets to you, you know? You know? Everything is wet. The wood is wet, no campfire, you can have campfire, nothing. At least that tastes good. But I guess that's the challenges we have to face riding a motorcycle, I guess. Like, I mean, riding in a car or in a van, I guess that's the pros that you get. You don't get wet, you don't get the wind in your face, going through these elements that motorcyclists go through. But I mean, riding your motorcycle is a whole different experience, whole different vibe. And now I'm debating if I should stay. It's like 8:30 now. If I just, because I did want to stay for another day, but I mean, if it stays like this, it's no point. It's not really enjoyable. So might as well, like, maybe I just carry on in the rain. I guess it is what it is. We all packed up and ready to hit the road. Like an hour and a half later, I had to semi-dry things down. Now it looks like the rain kind of stopped, and I really want to stay on this spot, you know, for another day. But I guess that's part of the journey, the challenges that we have to face. And I kind of wanted to hike down there too. There was a little path, a small waterfalls there, but we gotta carry on. And I didn't even have the chance to have like a proper campfire, and I paid for the wood too. It's all sitting there. Oh well, I'll leave it for the next ones. Alright my friends, let's carry on. We're gonna start heading north towards Prince George. That's the plan, because clearly I changed my plan 3 times now, or 4 times. And I know my mood is not really up there, probably you can tell, but I'll try to get it up there, you know. Oh, what a mystic view, eh? It has its beauty. Now we're at Lillooet. Leave my mark. Oh, it looks like I'll be taking the stickers off, but gotta do it. I hope they don't mind that I put my sticker there, because it kind of looks like there were other stickers there too, but they were removed. I made it from Katsi Creek all the way to Prince George. Perfect weather. Now look at this behind me. It's like thundering. It's lightning. It's almost like it's becoming hilarious. And just when I thought I'm not gonna put my rain gear on again, here I am again putting my rain gear on. And like literally it's like lightning. It's just becoming funny. I just gotta laugh about it. God damn. All right, let's hit the road.